I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna stay forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you.
I brought loads of that just in case. So apparently these are meant to be really nice, but no one ever mentioned that they were the size of a house. It's a cinnamon bun apparently. Standing in the Magic Kingdom at 12:10 on Thursday when Hurricane Matthew is meant to hit.
Later today. They are closing this park tomorrow, which is disappointing. Never mind, we've had a great time. Done all the parks lots of times.
But look how much the cheese is not moving at the moment. I know that, but it is bizarre. I've got to admit. Time to do the Haunted Mansion.
Time to do the Haunted Mansion.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And here comes
the things worth fighting for. Things that inspired the birth of a new nation.
Gee, Kermit, what do you mean?
Well, like the Declaration says, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all will take away in our hearts. Great moments in history, great moments in history, great moments in history. What will be the American great moments in history with just the American hearts? Thanks, everyone.
This storm's got a lot worse than we thought.
It's probably not.
It's snowing!
A wee lunch. And this is just half of it.
It's quick if you dig with a shovel or a pick in a mine, where a million diamonds shine. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
More than 3 million people have been told to evacuate. This storm will most likely be the most devastating hurricane to hit Jacksonville, Florida in 118 years.
Matthew's Path changing plans in this popular vacation state, even forcing Disney World to close its gates for only the 4th time ever in the park's 45-year history.
We're getting ready for Hurricane Matthew.
So what we're going to do?
Wee bit of supplies on the day, on the wee bit of to get prepared.
Poor guy.
Why would you subject us that? It's in a hotel on a balcony on the 4th floor or something.
Just eating through some supplies.
It's worse than they do in the Scottish movies.
Isn't it?
Lowry back in Atlanta, the Weather Tower headquarters. Michael, we can just get a strap. What it feels like, but even on hurricane force, we're talking 50, 55.
I'm just glad that we're comfortable in our hotel room. Are you not, Mum?
Yes.
Every time we watch the news, it's changed. The hurricane path changes. It's hitting Orlando majorly. It's not coming anywhere near us. It's really bad. It's not going to be that windy. It's going to be rainy. It's going out to sea.
No, they've always said it's not going to rain.
So-
And it is rainy.
It is rainy. It's wet outside.
Wind speeds are really
The palm trees are moving a bit more. And we think that the hotel's moved everyone off the ground floor because when we look outside, there's no lights at all on any of the hotel rooms on the ground floor. But the pool's quite full, so we think that there is a possibility that the ground floor could flood if the rain got really bad, which is probably why they've moved them. But fortunately, we're on the 2nd floor. Mum finally got her lazy day.
Thanks to Matthew. Still raining on tonight.
Oh, you can...
Get that off.
What you having, Mama?
And an ice water.
Yay! And some more. Cookie, cookie, cookie. And you've still got your shorts and t-shirt on.
Oh, well, it's still warm.
It's like a ghost town. Yeah. It's a wee bit windy. It's not bad though, is it?
It's wet wind. I've had it winded along your beach.
Yeah, when you're out for
Often.
just out for a wee walk.
That's at home.
But this is the coldest I've felt it. And we're quite sheltered here as well.
There's not much happening out here today. It's very quiet.
Where are we, Mummy?
The airport ready to go home. Having our last day lunch in America.
But what are you having?
Bloomin' onion.
Why are you having that?
Because Ross told me to have it.
Better be good.
Better had.
Just for you, Mum.
I'm dying to taste it.
We got them to share. Is it nice?
I have heard you do the same thing.